Yes, we are friends. I'm not saying you shouldn't date your friends. I mean, you get.
But
I'm trying
don't
to
date all your friends. Not all your friends are friends. See, it's not saying don't date your friends. It's saying that it's not everybody that comes into your life, regardless of gender, that's supposed to be dated. Is dated correctly?
So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I think you should subscribe. I mean, you actually should subscribe. Please click on the subscribe button below and subscribe. And on today's episode, okay, let me give you a quick story. So it's my birth month. I mean, you guys already know. And there's been someone in my deal for a long time now begging to feature on my channel. You get, so it's been something that's been, as I just feel like, you should actually care about people, try to give, try to, be passionate since it's your birth month, because, like giveaways kind of thing. So, I brought in one of my regular fans. Kwamilere Ojo. No, for real, you guys. I'm trying to be nice here. I'm serious face. So I brought one of my regular fans, Kwamilere, and her name is Kwamilere Ojo. I think you're doing this part of it.
Come Nobody died when they got
so Erin has been in my DM to show my so that's it. So here we are. So a quick one. How I met Erin. So Erin's going to talk. I'm going to say my own part too. Since she's a guest, so she's going to talk first. So how do you think we met?
How do I think we met?
I want to see if you remember.
This is shame me. Okay, so one day I woke up, I checked my laptop. I said I was posted to Ogun State.
We can't spend the whole day. Please skip.
Okay, but how did we actually meet? It was debates that led
how,
us to
where, when. How? Okay, let's start with where.
How?
Where?
Where? NYSC camp.
When? Just mention
May.
the month. Okay, May 2021. Okay.
Yeah, May 2021.
How?
Debate.
So, since Erin is not helping you guys, so we met on NYSC camp, the National Youth Service Corps camp. They have the 3 weeks orientation camp before we are deployed to place your primary assignment. So I met Erin there during one of the programs. They were supposed to go to debate. Yes, actually it was a special copper. I didn't stress.
Bad behavior.
Please. And I was just like, let me give away to the community also. The way I give away now. So I just said, let me help my platoon. We're in the same platoon. Then I opted for debate. And as a regular fan also, she also opted for debate. Maybe she was trying to stalk me.
Hold up.
I don't I don't know how that worked. But then, so that's how we met.
No,
then,
structured. No.
See, please. We didn't even do bad in debate. Debate was okay. Okay.
There's a comment in that sentence. You said as a regular fan.
Please,
comment
you're on my show.
You met a smart girl. And you're like,
next question.
God,
So,
intelligent.
So intelligent. I was like, who is this Talili? What's this crew being thing? I was like, so yeah, I didn't put it.
You know what?
So okay, so me and some of Erin have been friends since camp till now. It's going to be a year by May this year. Funny enough, I mean I've not known Erin that long, but Erin is actually one of my very close. Okay, shit. One of my close friends, very close friends. Yes. So Erin, today since we are doing friendship dynamics, what does friendship mean to you?
Carry your mic to me. I don't like the microphone. So, what does friendship actually mean to me? Friendship is like communication, just having that one person or two people or a group of people that you can just relate with, be it like your goals or interests or however it is that you can relate with them, shasha, that kind of thing. Those people that your go-to people. That's the English.
Like, so Erin says friendship is having go-to people. I don't know what that definition means, but So friendship. She already said what friendship means. So I'm not really going to be talking much. So she's going to. So role of. Okay, now this sounds like an interview. What's the role of? Okay, what do you think has made us friends for this long? I mean, we've been friends for like a year, which is short, but I think it's still long. Actually, Erin is one of the few people I talk to most times. I don't say every day because
every day.
We don't talk every day. There's a weekend we didn't talk.
But there'll be chats.
I don't know. I'm not sure. Erin is one person that, yes, There was a time that you sent me, this automatic messaging.
Oh.
Erin does one thing. Erin used to have, I don't know, it's like I heard used to shut down sometimes. So she used to send me. So she sends, this automatic messaging WhatsApp thing. So if you text her, she will send you this person is socially hibernating or something, or taking hibernation from social media or something. So she reply you whenever she can. You get it's like automatic as Amy automatic messaging. When you are shy, I understand I'm a good person. So yes. So what do you think? Yes, I'm a good person. You guys know I'm a good person.
Okay.
So what do you think friendship? What do you think has sustained our friendship for this long?
I think communication actually. That's all.
Communication.
Yeah.
Okay, so communication. Do you think understanding plays a part in it?
I feel communication comes with understanding. It's like a joint package. Where there is communication, there will understand.
You get it?
Like when you communicate often, you'll be able to understand like that person's perks, their peeves, all those little quirks that makes that person who they are. You understand when the person is peeved. You
Please speak
understand
up.
when
We don't have microphone on my channel.
I don't know how to shout.
Hey,
I come
go
from a
on.
very, very posh environment.
Okay.
So let's not go into details. But actually, I feel it's just communication. Once you're able to communicate with someone to a certain level, there'll be a certain level of understanding that you are going to have.
So, communication and understanding play a major role in friendship, yeah?
Yeah, in life, safe, yeah.
In life, okay.
Yeah.
Basically, by societal standard, I feel like there is some form of bias to male and female friendship. Because they tell you there is the saying of a guy and a girl cannot be like just platonic. Sorry, ignore that. Something just fell. So they tell you that a guy and a girl cannot be just friends in this society. So whenever I say Erin is my friend, to an extent I have to start explaining that Erin is more like a family member already. Do you get? Because they can't believe that. They feel like, oh, that's how you say, that's how you start.
The amount of times I've heard that.
Do you get? That's how you start.
I'm like, how was that?
So you think there is a bias towards male-female friendships in our current society? How do you think that came about, or how do you think that affects friendship in general?
Well, I think personality, like it depends on the people that are friends in the first place. And there's this unconscious, I don't even know if it's push or trigger for human beings that are just different opposite genders. Once they are friends, the moment they hear you are friends with the opposite gender, the first comment is, oh, is he your boyfriend? And you say no, they're like, for how long?
No, but then, I feel like, I'm sorry to cut you short.
No problem.
I feel like there's also a play, or there is a play of pressure in this thing. Now, you might not be thinking of the person towards this aspect, the romantic way. You might just be thinking, oh, this person is my friend. And everybody's saying, oh, you guys look good together. You guys will be a cute couple and everything. And then one day you just sit down on your own, you're just thinking, oh, they're bad. No, it's not bad. If you don't understand you're right, it means like, it's not that bad. I mean, yes, we are friends. I'm not saying you shouldn't date your friends. I mean, you get. But I'm trying
don't date all your friends. Not all your friends are friends. See, it's not saying don't date your friends. It's saying that it's not everybody that comes to your life, regardless of gender, that's supposed to be dated. Is dated correct?
I don't know, please. You're the English person.
That's supposed to
English
be
is not my first language.
Yeah, so dated is actually correct. But what is just I say that people can just be friends. You can just be friends. Enjoy yourself. Yeah. Go out and explore places.
Like Erin was actually my first video. No, my second video. The one where we yes. You don't almost fell out from the rock. In case you have not watched it, go back to the second video. Second video I posted, I was like,
somewhere.
Yeah, I should attach the link here. I'll attach the link to the description. So you see, everyone was in one of those in this video. Time went to Olumoro, so she was gonna almost fell off and everything.
I didn't almost fall off. I just thought the ground was melting.
So how's the journey been so far? How's it been being Joshua's friend? As a celebrity, I am. How's it been being friends with a celebrity?
I don't know what it's like to be friends with a celebrity.
Wow! You people!
I just had to look into the camera to point that out. I don't know what it's like to be friends.
I've been really cool on my own YouTube channel.
Are you a celebrity?
Yes, man! You guys!
In your own life or in the life?
In the life of everybody, I am a celebrity.
Is he a celebrity?
Yes, he is a celebrity. He said it. He, Joshua, Josh Millie,
couldn't be.
Josh
not
Millie!
Vision 2020 dash.
So, okay, how's the journey been so far?
I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I don't know words to use to describe because the question is there a journey?
Yes. See, you know the funny thing is how myself and Erin became friends. It was just a thing of okay from debate. We just sort of clicked. You know, as a good person I am and very understanding person I am. I'm not blowing my trumpet. I'm just saying what it is for what it is.
Explain my side.
And I was just like, oh, you have to be friends. I'm a very friendly person, as you all know. And
That I agree.
So we just became friends, and I feel like it was a thing of understanding everybody's personality and respecting boundaries. You get, I feel like people put
That's
unnecessary
one, yeah.
pressure on themselves when it comes to friendships. Like you maybe try to understand everybody's not going to be like you. Everybody's not going to be, some people might get offended that like the other time I was talking about her. I don't know if I used this video or the previous one. There was a time I tried to reach Erin. She does this thing whereby she shuts down, or you get, and then she stays away from social media. And there was a time I texted her. That was one weekend, right?
Yeah.
And she wasn't available. She sent this automatic messaging thing. This person, so person is hibernating from social media and stuff. And normal people will feel like, oh, I mean, I'm like your closest friend right now.
I'm tired.
You should talk to me, or you get that kind of thing. But then I feel like understanding everybody's boundaries also helped. Okay, if you don't feel like talking, that's fine. Take your time, take the time off you need when you're cool with it. And there is no, oh, you did not call me today, or you did not tell me this first, or this unnecessary. Do you understand? We understand that everybody has their own lives.
Like you go to work.
Do you get?
Like that's enough. Tired, actually.
So everybody has their own lives, and sometimes I should not lie. I'm guilty of I'll call you back, and I actually do not call back.
Then they mean I've forgotten that there's.
Do you get? But then I like the fact that she does not guilt me with that fact that I will call you, because sometimes I honestly want to call back, but I forget. You get?
Like
but she doesn't say, oh, he didn't call back, I'm not going to text him. Do you understand? If she wants to text me, she still texts me. You get that kind of thing.
I want to spam him. I will spam him. And you will just see the amount of messages I decide to send.
Do you get?
Yes.
So I feel like there shouldn't I feel like not having a particular rule to this whole friendship has helped the whole friendship.
Yeah,
And the fact that everybody understands, we communicate as often as we can. Do you get? I know Erin's family. Erin is refusing to invite me for a family function. I'm like a family member already.
I know, sir. You're going to joke with
She's refusing to invite me for a family function. I'm already a family member, you know that,
like
right?
I said,
So
options. You call my father, I call my mother, or
okay, no problem. See, is everybody I know in their house. Everybody knows Joshua, even at our workplace. But then, and even
that's actually odd.
yes, everybody in your workplace knows me. I haven't met some of our colleagues. I've met okay, I don't want to mention names.
Yeah, but you have met a good, like about 3 or 4.
Yes, more than that.
No, it's 3 now.
First, how many?
There were 3.
Other people call the ones in investments.
Okay.
Yes, so there are
But
more.
did you meet like the way you met?
No, I didn't. But at least I've seen them. They cannot say they've not seen
Okay,
Star Wars.
they can say they've not seen you.
They've not seen Star Wars.
The
Star Wars. Give me no more.
With on Friday when I was on the call with you. He was there at the event, but he did not know you. So.
He was busy woman. I don't get me. I was very mature. I went to the event.
I was very mature, but
I am very mature. So do you have any regrets?
Nah, so not yet. You're not foolish.
Hey, God, dude, they said I've not been foolish yet. Right.
Actually, you have not crossed the boundaries there. The day you mistake, you will know because I don't have scruples. You have not crossed any boundaries. That's the thing. Like
so you're actually going to change it for me and say, oh, you're idiot or something.
I don't use words like idiot. Like that's so much of a baby.
So you say what?
If I want to construct somebody's destiny, any of my dictionary.
That's why they were sending this way. Every has one poster that said, "Hope your night was tranquil." Is it the guy who wrote it? I know, but okay, so you don't have any regrets.
But
yet?
actually, yeah, no regrets.
She said, no
yeah,
regrets.
so far.
Then, what's your advice for my fans? You get
subscribe, like, comment.
Okay, so I don't know. This was just probably a freestyle, and
no, probably.
this video is going to be dropping on my birthday. I mean, woo! So if you are seeing this birthday, just start sharing.
Oh, that's true. This is his birthday gift from me. Let me just do public service announcement. I'm giving him birthday gift. You're singing in falsetto.
What?
You're end up in
I mean, bro. My birthday, so you guys should wish me a happy birthday. Sending gifts. I'm going to paste my account number in the description or
Never
on the
done
video.
that.
Yes, please. What else? It's my birthday. Shower me with gifts, Please subscribe, but also watch as my birthday gift. Share with someone, at least make sure that somebody watches my video, or at least 2 people subscribe and 2 people watch my video. I mean, that could be the best birthday gift you actually would give me. Thank you for watching. Please ensure you subscribe, like this video, engage, wish me a happy birthday, let your family and friends know, even your enemies, And peace. I'll see you when I see you.